will be a very long testimony kung isi-share ko sa iyo kung paano yung natutunan ko serving God related to my whole career up to today where I am. So I'm not gonna share that today. But I just want to say na talagang marami kang matututunan pag pinaglingkuran mo ang Panginoon. It is not gonna go to waste.